In the next few minutes, I'm going to explain how to become more productive while spending time at home. And you know, guys, my mission is to give you hope, motivation, and your life better day by day. This channel is all about personality development, so please don't forget to subscribe. So let's start how to become more productive while spending time at home. Here are 4 steps to make your day extra special. But step number 4 is the key secret. Step number 1, get your days off to a good start. I mean, establish a routine for the morning. Learn to do proper activities that give you energy and lift your spirits before you can be productive at home. Wake up early and establish a productive morning routine as one of the finest ways to start your day. Step number 2, prioritize your task. It's difficult to be productive at home, and since we don't know where to begin, it's much simpler to simply sit around and do nothing. Setting prioritize is the greatest way to keep your day productive. If you have a few things to be done, but put them in order of importance, your stress level will stay under control if you know what to do and do it step by step. Step number 3, preparation is key. Do you work ahead of the time or develop a time schedule to ensure nothing falls through the cracks? Be productive at home, knowing precisely what should be doing at every hour of the day is made possible by planning your duties ahead of time. Step number 4, maintain a record of your productive hours. Ways to stay motivated and productive when working from home without being too weary. Identify your most productive times of day and stick to them. Allow time for rest and relaxation as well. Do you get up early or do you stay up late? According to statistics, the majority of individuals complete their jobs before noon, when the energy are at their peak. Getting key tasks done during your most productive hours can give you more time to accomplish other things or just relax. So that concludes the list of suggestions. I'm certain that if you allow these suggestions, they will be of great assistance to you.